unicorns, welcome to the Z world. In this video I am going to create the midnight eye makeup look. So let's play with the colors. Let me give you a little introduction about what is midnight eye makeup until I am drawing the eyebrow and the eye. So midnight eyes are actually smoky eyes with some sparkles and glitter. I actually don't have those products, but let's see how it will turn out at the end with the eye makeup product that I have. Do watch the video till the end and let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. And yes, I will create this eye look onto my actual eye. If you want to check that out, so follow me on my socials. I will link them in the description box below. Okay, so I'm done with the eyes and the eyebrow. Let's fill in the eyebrows. To fill in the eyebrows, I'm using black eyeshadow, but you can use any other eyebrow product that you like to fill in your eyebrows. That's completely up to you. But keep in mind to always start filling in your eyebrows from the arch, then the tail, and then the rest of the eyebrow. Please keep that in mind. Okay, so I'm done filling in the eyebrows. Let's move on to the eyelid. I'm starting with the transition shade, and for the application I'm using this flat brush. I'm applying it onto the outer V section and to the crease. So this is my guideline. I will intensify it more by applying darker eyeshadows on top of it. Here I am using dark brown eyeshadow. With this very thin brush, I am intensifying it. I'll apply more product on top of it until I get the desirable intensity. And this space that I'm leaving of the lid for now will be filled with some shimmer shades. Let's see what color I'm gonna use for this midnight eye makeup look. So the first color that I'm applying onto the outer corner of the eye is metallic red. Of course, it is a shimmer shade. For the application, I'm using this buffer brush. And for the inner corner, I'm using the metallic golden shade. Again, for the application, I'm using this buffer brush. Because it is a highlighter shade, so I'm applying it onto the arch as well. Now it's time for the eyelashes. I'm drawing the eyelashes, but you can use false eyelashes onto your actual eye to finish off your midnight eye makeup look. You can see that the midnight eye makeup is not so difficult. Anyone can do this. So create your own midnight eye makeup looks with some different colors. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification next to it. And see you next time next week on Thursday. Thanks for watching.